Hello trade boosters, this is a trade idea that I believe will work for you guys. So we've got our Supertrend strategy and our RSI divergence. Great combination. So here are the two easy rules that you need to execute this strategy. Number one, wait for your RSI to turn green. Wait for your RSI to turn green when you're looking for a buy, and wait for your RSI to turn red when you're looking for a sell. Let me give you guys some examples, right? For example, let's say, for example, we are going to be monitoring our RSI, When it turns green, as you can see, it is currently green, and it turns red, we need to start looking for sells. It turned green again, and it turned red and gave us a sell. As you can see, that was a nice strategy. It was a nice sell. And we need to wait for, as you can see, we're going to wait for a green. So let's keep monitoring. This one did not give us a trade opportunity, so we're going to keep monitoring. We turn green, then we turn red again, so that is an opportunity to take a sell, as you can see. So this strategy works hand in hand with the RSI. Yeah, it works hand in hand with the RSI. We can all make money together in this market. It's just about how you apply these strategies. But feel free to test it out. Let me know what you think. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video.